Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you saw our last video on how to host your own website using AWS infrastructure, then this video is a perfect follow-up for you. Today we're going to secure your hosting even further by restricting the access of the S3 bucket to only CloudFront. And it's just one step away. So what you need to do is we're going to write a policy that restrict access to your S3 bucket, so it only works through CloudFront. The policy will look something like that. So what it's saying is like, allow access to my files only if the request comes from CloudFront. Remove the bucket name and update with your own bucket name in the configuration, and remove the CloudFront distribution ID and replace with your own CloudFront distribution ID. Once you have updated the values, paste this in the bucket policy editor and save. Now it's time to test. First, try accessing a file directly from the S3 public link. You'll see this beautiful access denied message. This means our policy is working. Now access the same file through CloudFront URL, and at that it loads perfectly. That's because the request is coming from CloudFront, which is allowed. So why did we do this, right? By restricting direct access to your S3 bucket, you prevent unauthorized access to your files. Use CloudFront to serve your content fast and in a secure way. And this setup is ensuring your website stays optimized and protected. And that's it, folks. Your S3 is now secure and your content can only be served through CloudFront. It's fast, secure, and super easy to set up. If the video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more AWS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.